Have you ever wondered why the entire world is trying to turn into organic? Why people have started caring for the nature, environment, and the society? Hello, everyone. I'm Mahima Nand, Assistant Professor, School of Design, Sage University, Bhopal. I'm here to take you towards an inclination to understand the importance of organic apparels. In recent times, sustainability is a leading characteristic of textile fashion product. Textile fashion companies are focusing more on sustainable products these days so that they can make the environmental and social aspect look good. For getting competitive advantage in fashion business, the companies have to take care of social, political, and economical issues, and they must be aware of the current trends of the market. Sustainable fibers provide solution for the companies facing issues regarding environmental problems. These fibers are also favorable to meet the market demand of quality products these days. The main objective of this video is to understand the sustainable materials in fashion garments, especially is focused on rich information about one natural sustainable fiber, that is organic cotton, that describes the history, biography, applications, use and current scenario of organic cotton production. The video highlights the potential of using these materials in textile fashion products and describes that high fashion and quality products can be made by these products to guarantee the environmental and social standards. So, what is organic cotton? Cotton fiber that is grown, processed, and certified according to organic standards is referred as organic cotton. Unit processes for the production of cotton begin with the seed at the field, cultivation, and ginning. Processing of the cotton includes processes such as opening, cleaning, mixing, carding or combing, drawing, roving, spinning, and weaving or knitting the fabric. Certified cotton is produced in accord with specific country level or international organic agricultural standards, integrating ecological processes, maintaining local biodiversity, and avoiding the use of toxic and persistent synthetic pesticides and fertilizers, as well as genetically modified seeds. Independent certification agencies aggregated by organizations that maintain strict controls over certifiers are responsible for certifying organic cotton according to the country's specific standards. So, why choose organic cotton? Organic cotton has proven benefits and nothing can beat its claim for sustainability. Farmers who shift to organic cotton farming not only make their life healthy but also benefit the ecosystem as it eliminates the use of pesticides and fertilizers. Organic cotton prevents contamination of groundwater, thus making drinking water clean and safe. It has been found that the impact of water pollution of organic cotton is 98% less compared to the conventional cotton production. So, the current scenario of organic clothing in India is continuously, since many decades, said to be the world's largest producer of organic cotton, grown by over 200 producers groups in 8 states, but chiefly Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Orissa. Cotton is the largest single organic crop, covering almost 45% of the total area under organic cultivation. There is a need for better matching of supply chain, improved organic farming technologies, and more remunerative prices for organic fiber, enabling systems to ensure that farmers reap the benefits of such prices and ensuring that the large numbers of contract farmers Models have effective and equitable management systems in place. It is undeniable that organically produced cotton offers a life choice, an alternative to thousands of marginal farmers for whom cotton is a very valuable cash crop, providing intercropping opportunities leading to food sufficiency and less